Hi guys, today I'll be guiding you through on how to add a custom message on page 404. Page 404 is usually those pages that appear when a visitor search a particular page that is not on your website. Let me give you an example. Let me go to my Google search. So this is the new website that I designed for the purpose of this training. So let me search josephchim1.blogspot.com/ let me put go. I know that there's no page go on this website, so let me just put go and search. This is 404 page. So this is telling me that there's no page on this website with name go. That's why it's showing 404 error. So you can add a custom image. By default, this is what you get. This is what you get by default for this particular website. This is what you get. But you can decide to edit this and add your own particular custom message. Or every website have its own message on this particular page, so this also boosts your SEO. In order to do such, you come to your blogger's blog post. Let's start. So let me refresh this page. This is my blogger's dashboard. You come to your settings, then you go to your meta tags. Let me go down. So meta tag, then this errors and redirect. So this is the custom 404 page and custom redirect. This custom redirect means that you can add a page link, in the sense that when somebody search a particular page that is not on your website, it will automatically redirect that person maybe to your home page, your about us page, or any particular page that is on your website. But if you don't want the person to be redirected to a particular page, you can leave this as blank. Then in order to add a custom 404 page, you just need to click on this. Then you can enter your write-up, those things. But for me, I already have something here. Sorry, you seem to be lost. To find what you are looking for, check out the most recent post. This is my custom message, so I can put it here, then I will save it. So this is all you need to do. In less than 30 minutes, the message will be implemented on your posts. It will be implemented here. So let's refresh and check whether the effect have been taking place. So it's still not here, so you need to wait. But this is how to fix it. You can add as many message as you want in this custom 404 page. So this is the end of this video. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel by hitting this subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it. Also remember to like, share and comment on this video. Remember to be busy on the right track, because busy Joe gets your back. Thanks for watching this video.